Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions here with a quick little market update. Wanted to make you guys aware of a critical level that we are approaching and what reports I would look out for tomorrow and how the market can react based off of the impact or influence that this report might have. So first off, today we did live stream the Fed minutes and how the market reacted. You didn't miss anything crazy. I mean, TQQQ, which is a triple leverage Nasdaq ETF, closed about almost 2% in the green. Didn't really even hold up there. And this is kind of like my concern. There's some good news, there's some bad news. You guys know that even though I am invested in TQQQ, I like to make people aware of both the good and the bad. I think that's why so many people have recently valued a lot of the videos that I've made as I've talked about a critical resistance level that we have not been able to break ever since the beginning of 2022, except for once in March, and then Russia attacked Ukraine, and then we sold right back off, right? We could see that on this day chart where every candle is represented by 1 day of time. We could see that every single time that we approach the moving average, which is this EMA line that you see right here, this light blue line, every single time. Again, there's no such thing as a perfect indicator. Please make sure that you understand that. But it's asking the question, is it, close to being something that the overall market reacts well to? And in my opinion, we could see that it got rejected here. It got rejected here, got rejected here, got rejected here. Again, we broke above during March. Russia attacked Ukraine, sold off, got rejected here, got rejected here, got rejected here. Tried once again, got rejected. We made a video here, right? This was before the previous CPI data report. We tried to push up once again, got rejected. We made a video there. And here's the good and bad thing. The good thing is this is the first time since we've been selling off that we did not make new lows. Meaning that last time we sold off, this was shortly after June 11th, which is when the previous CPI data report was released. The market aggressively sold off. We hit lows of 21.32. Again, this is the Nasdaq ETF. We recovered. We got rejected right around $29 a share. I made a video of, hey, we're getting close to the EMA line on the day chart. Just get ready, right? The market's been bearish for over 6 months. We cannot be surprised if it gets rejected again. Guess what happens? Gets rejected. But this time, it did not go lower than the previous low. That's progress. It's not that the market's going to recover right away, but that's progress. Now we're making our way back up to this previous resistance range, which is going to be right around $28 to $29 a share. If we break above the EMA line, this will be the first time since March and the second time of all of 2022 that we actually begin to trade above the moving average. Again, my job is just to make you aware of these levels. If you decide to sell, if you decide to buy more, that's on you, right? I'm never here to tell you where to buy, where to sell, and I never will, right? My job is, again, just to make you guys aware. One of the other things that I want to talk about is right now the Nasdaq futures are a little bit in the green. So again, not only did we have a green day yesterday, we had a green day today, and it looks like Nasdaq futures are in the green as of right now. We are seeing this slight resistance level for the past couple of hours that we're not really able to break above, and it's right around 11.9 to around 1200. And again, just please make sure that you pay attention to these Nasdaq futures, especially if you're someone that likes to trade during the pre-market session. This can at least make you aware of specific direction or specific patterns to look out for before you actually blindly take a trade. And then going back to the economic data report, there's a couple different reports that are going to be released tomorrow. We have the initial claims. This is going to be 1 hour before the market opens. But the one that I'm going to be really paying attention to is the EIA crude oil inventory report. This will give us an overall inventory report on all crude oil. And again, this is something that could positively act as a positive or negative catalyst, especially as oil stocks and futures have recently been pulling on back, which is kind of good news, right? This is kind of showing that maybe inflation has peaked, and as well as maybe we'll see month over month a nice little pullback on oil prices for that CPI data report. So I'm super excited to follow up. Just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update. Wanted to make you guys aware of specific levels that I'm paying attention to. And if you have any questions that you personally would like to ask me, I hope that you know that I'm always just one direct message away. And that's that first link down below if you want to message me via Discord within our free trading group chat. Other than that, I would love for you to join my live trading session tomorrow. That's that second link down below. So if you've ever wanted to see what it's like for me to buy, sell, share my thought process in real time every morning at market open, I only offer that to my Learn Plan Profit group. So if you want to take 1 minute and learn more about it to see if it's a good fit for you, click that second link down below. And I'll leave it up to you guys. I'm thinking about live streaming that crude oil inventory report. I'm not set on it. It's about an hour and a half after the market opens. I still have to trade live with our LPP team, but shortly after that, if I have time, it's up to you guys. If you guys get this video over 1,500 likes, I would be more than happy to live stream that inventory report and to see how the market reacts in either a positive or negative way. So if you would like to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you drop a thumbs up. And if enough people, partake in this, then I would be more than happy to host that live stream. So really do appreciate you guys' time. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.